Welcome to Yoga with Lena. I'm Lena, and today's class is all about refilling your energy. If you're feeling low mentally and physically, this class is for you. So roll out your mat and let's get started. So close your eyes, take a deep breath in, and as you breathe out, feel your shoulders drop in. Breathe in again. Allow your breath to flow all the way to your belly. And as you breathe out, feel yourself letting go of anything that's disturbing you. And one more deep breath in. And this time as you breathe out, just feel yourself becoming more present to this moment, because it is the only moment you have. And while your eyes are closed, just think about what you want from this class. Maybe set an intention of just moving with love and kindness, because whatever you focus on is where your energy goes. So when you move with kindness and move with love, you are refilling your energy, refilling your cup, and just feeling good within yourself. So gently open your eyes, and then let's come lying down. Bringing one knee into your chest, the other knee into your chest, and just starting off with giving yourself a real nice hug. Just really lovely hug. Just moving from side to side. Might want to do some circles, really slow, going one way and then the other way. And then placing both feet on the mat. Now you might want to roll to one side and come up, or you might be able to roll up, do a couple of rolls here, and then come up slowly. Now we're going to come on to all fours, tabletop. And we're just going to move from side to side. And then you might want to go do some hip circles here, just moving at your own pace, really lovingly, just being kind to yourself as you move your body. Because when we're kinder to ourselves, we're kinder to our bodies, it feels really, really nice, doesn't it? When someone's being kind to us. So we might as well be kind to ourselves. That's how it starts. Then we can be kind to others. Let's go the other direction. Really slow circles, taking your time, just being really kind and loving to yourself. Let's do one more circle, and then coming to the center, and then placing your toes on the mat, spreading your fingers, pushing down, and then you're just going to push yourself up, and you're going to just pedal your feet here, just taking your time, taking slow, deep breaths. Breathing is so important, really can energize the body, can also relax the mind. You know, I have something for breathing. I've left it in the description to this class, and it can really, really help, can even help to center yourself in the moment. So bring in both feet flat on the mat. Now, your feet do not need to touch the mat fully. It doesn't matter. As long as you're feeling a stretch in the back of your legs, that's doing the trick. So we're going to lift up one leg even bringing it behind you so the hip is opening up, and then you're just going to bring that forward, and then you're going to come into a low lunge, and you're going to bring that knee down, and then you're just going to move back and forward, back and forward, back and forward, pressing down on the mat with your hands, coming up, taking that back, and then taking the other foot up, bringing it behind you, opening up the hip, straightening that leg, bringing it back down, coming into a lone lunge and bringing that knee down. You're going to go back and forward, back and forward, back and forward, placing hands on the mat, spreading your fingers, then pushing down, coming back, going back as far as you can, placing the heels on the mat as much as you can. If not, don't worry, feet don't have to be flat on the mat, just feeling a lovely stretch here. And then taking one foot in front, the other foot in front, and you're just going to hang here. Let your head hang, let your legs relax, feeling a lovely stretch in the back of your legs and your back and your neck. You might want to just let go of your hands, or you might even want to place them on the elbow and just moving from side to side, breathing deeply. Really amazing to do if you have a headache, and this is allowing the blood to just rush to the head area. And then what you're going to do is let go of your arms, and then you're going to come up just slowly, vertebrae by vertebrae. Take your time like a snail, really, really slow, breathing deeply and just relaxing here and taking a breath. Breathe. And then just coming to the mat, spreading your legs wide. Now, you might not be able to widen your legs and be really, really wide. You might even just be like this. Amazing. So just go as wide as you can, and then stretch your arms. Let's open up our hearts here and just take a deep breath in. And breathe out. Now this time when you breathe in, I want you to breathe in and stretch up. And as you breathe out, just come down. Breathe in again and let's come up. When you breathe in, you're filling up your lungs and the breath is coming down all the way to the belly. You are nourishing your organs and relaxing the mind. As you breathe out, just come down and then breathe in one more time. Now staying here and just stretching up. See if you can look at your hands. And then bringing your hands together. Bring it to heart center. Bring your legs together. Focusing on your breath here. Now as you're breathing here, just allow your breath to flow all the way to your belly. It's inflating like a balloon, and as you breathe out, just feel your belly falling. So when you breathe in, the belly's rising, and as you breathe out, the belly's falling. One more deep breath in, belly rising, and as you breathe out, the belly's falling. And just thinking about your intention that you've set today, and thinking about how you are moving with some love and some kindness, to remember to do that in your day. When you're moving, just being kinder to yourself, breathing deeply, and just coming back to yourself, refilling your energy, just coming home to yourself again. So if your eyes are closed, gently open your eyes. Hope you enjoyed this practice. Thank you for joining me today. I look forward to practicing with you again, and until next time, namaste.